So the storm has started. This is the chicken coop. Put my shovel right there. I'll bring you inside. What it's like in there, it's warm. This obviously will keep the wind out. There's the door. It's a little tricky trying to open. But we manage. I'm little, so I can do it. So it's dark in here, but no wind. No more new snow. A little dark. It's actually darker on the camera than it actually is. I put fresh hay, because that's what I had. Put fresh hay down on the ground for everybody. There's the light. See, it's much lighter in here than the camera shows. But I put fresh hay down. I'm pretty sure I had a duck freeze to the ground. Here's Jake. But everybody in here is pretty warm. The water doesn't even freeze in here. It stays thawed. Plenty of food and happy chickens. Coop 1, Coop 2. They have plenty of shelter, but they prefer to be out here.